Hello students and parents, so I have come with an update. Class ninth new syllabus has been released by CBSE and there are some significant changes that have taken place in mathematics, science, social science and almost all the subjects. So today we are dealing with mathematics. So what are the changes, what chapters they have added and how the course has now become different. So obviously the course has become little more difficult because more chapters have been added. It is made more applicative based, logical thinking one. So this is what now CBSE is doing as per NEP and under National Curriculum Framework NCF they have started releasing the new syllabus. So here we'll be discussing the CBSE curriculum update. To class 9th mathematics, what all changes they have done, how they have added and revised the syllabus. The new textbook is awaited, so it will be soon there. So the first chapter which they have made here is number systems, where proof of irrationality has come. This was in class 10th before. Now from 10th the proof has come to class 9. So ye ek change. So this is one change which you will find in number systems, right? So the logical derivation part. Then you have polynomials. Now polynomials you start studying right from 7th and all. So some additions which they have done, they have introduced the concept of slope. So when you draw any line in a polynomial, the figure, so you'll have two concepts. One is about the slope and one is basically the intercept. So intercept, obviously teachers will teach you, but just to make you understand, when we talk of any intercept, so this portion is basically the intercept which is being used in physics and a lot of things. So that is what they have introduced at 9. So it is good for you when you study physics and all, the intercept concept should be known. And anyways, coordinate geometry they have added, so we'll be discussing that also there. Then you have a new chapter, complete new chapter. बहुत interesting है ये, sequences and progression, completely from 10th. और इसमें कुछ 11th से भी लेके आ गए हैं. So they have now changed this chapter drastically. In 10th we had only arithmetic progression. So the patterns of numbers, sequences which you see, recursive formula, so that was there. Now they have added geometric progression. So this is the addition out here. This has been added from 11th. This has been added, arithmetic progression has been added from 10th. So one of the interesting chapter, and here they have made application based also, and the problem of Tower of Hanoi. So you will see that when there is some pattern coming, the counting involved or addition involved in pattern based problems, AP and GP come into picture. So this is one thing which you will find very interesting also, and it is good that they are upgrading. Next is mensuration, areas and perimeter. So what they have done, this portion of sector, they have basically brought from class 10th. So sector, the area of circle, derivation, area of sector, length of an arc. So this is all you will find in class 9th. तुम्हारे लिए तो खैर पहली बार ही है, but just to know that syllabus has been uplifted. अब तुम्हें भी अपने आप को uplift करना है. Then you have advanced areas where quadrilateral is involved, Heron's formulas, Bodhian, Sulba Sutras. So that is what again come into the picture. So this is what, and this cyclic foregons, here you will find a cyclic quadrilateral, then the problems based on area and sectors. So that is what Brahmagupta's formula for area of cyclic polygon. So that is what you will have, the Brahmagupta's formula. So these are little things that have been added out here, right? So they are trying to upgrade the course, and this is one of the addition you will find there. So this is one of the additions. Then here in mensuration you will find surface area and volume complete now, and addition you can see is pyramid. So this pyramid was not there, it was way back before, but now pyramid has come back into the picture. तो आप कभी घूमने जाओ यूरोप वगैरह तो फ्रांस वगैरह में विल सी दोस पिरामिड्स, इजिप्ट में तो है ही है, तो definitely you will see these figures and their surface area volumes being there. So that is mensuration. So now your calculation has to be good calculations, because you will get a lot of calculations, so you have to be very good in that. So you need to develop your calculative skills. Then we have a new chapter, coordinate geometry, where you have this distance formula, दो चीजों के बीच की दूरी स्पेस में, right? तो ये 10th में था, it has come to 9th. You will use collinearity, 3 पॉइंट्स ट्राइंगल बना रहे हैं या कोलिनियर है, उसका कॉन्सेप्ट मिड पॉइंट पोजीशन. सो हियर द सेक्शन फॉर्मूला दे हैव इंट्रोड्यूस्ड, पूरा नहीं बताया एज ऑफ नाउ, बाकी बुक्स आएंगी कि 2 पॉइंट्स के बीच पोजीशन निकालना मिड पॉइंट में, और ये है कि ट्राइंगल का प्रॉब्लम वेदर इट इज अ ट्राइंगल और नॉट. सो दिस ऑल हैज कम फ्रॉम 10th. Then you have foregons, quadrilaterals and geometric proof. ये एक median concurrence proof है, 2:1 ratio जो हम use करते थे, which they have actually asked to find here. You will find this parallelogram vertex, though it's a part of coordinate geometry only, which you will find missing coordinates. Then you have practical application, applying coordinate formulas, solving multi-step geometry problems easily. So little bit of a mixture of geometry and coordinate geometry. So you proving here in geometry and using the concept in coordinate geometry. Then you have linear equation in 2 variables. ये पूरा चैप्टर अगेन 10 से उठा लिया. क्या क्या है देखो, यहाँ पे स्लोप इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म की बात की गई है, जो हम y = mx + c 11th में लाते थे. तो there they have introduced the slope intercept form. Then pair of linear equation in 2 variables. Then graphical method, solving them graphically भी आ गया. फिर nature of solution, consistent, inconsistent, ये सब 10th में था, 9th में आ गया. Then algebraic method of solving a pair and substitution, दो linear equations को हम कैसे solve कर सकते हैं. So all of them are a part of this. तो linear equation almost यहाँ काफ़ी कुछ ले आए. Then you have statistics. Statistics में you have weighted average. ठीक है ना. So compute and apply weighted average. Weighted average मतलब जब आप किसी चीज को महत्व, weight ज़्यादा देते हो. So like from 10th to 11th if you go, you want to take science, the maths and science marks may get more weightage. Read and interpret stacked bar. Stacked bar मतलब जो parts में बने होते हैं, तो पूरे histogram का यहाँ पे स्टैकिंग हो जाती है. तो ये सब कॉन्सेप्ट भी आपके लिए आ गए. देन मेजर ऑफ सेंट्रल टेंडेंसी में तीनों एम, मीन मीडियन मोड निकालना, जो पूरा 10th था वो इधर ले आए. तो वी एक्सपेक्ट 10th में भी, नॉट कमिंग सेशन 10th विल बी सेम, नेक्स्ट ईयर दे विल इंट्रोड्यूस न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट. सो दिस इज द स्टूडेंट्स मूविंग फ्रॉम 8th to 9th who have to study this new concept. So the old books will not be completely relevant, है ना. आपको नई किताबें अब धीरे धीरे आएंगी, वो लेनी पड़ेंगी. फिर प्रोबेबिलिटी को फिर से ले आया गया है, रैंडमनेस, प्रोबेबिलिटी स्केल, एम्पेरिकल प्रोबेबिलिटी, थियोरेटिकल, सैंपल स्पेस इवेंट्स, और एक चीज है ट्री डायग्राम और टेबल्स के थ्रू. तो ट्री डायग्राम का भी इंट्रोडक्शन किया गया है. सो बेसिकली दे हैव ब्रॉट द पार्ट ऑफ 10th ही पूरा समझिए, क्योंकि ये कॉन्सेप्ट दे दिया तो सैंपल स्पेस, इवेंट्स, ये सब लिखना, फिर उनकी प्रोबेबिलिटी निकालना, एम्पेरिकल, तो ये आपके लिए आ जाता है. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो ए न्यू एडिशन. सो व्हाट दे हैव डन इज, इफ यू सी द अपडेट, लॉजिकल थिंकिंग के ऊपर बेस्ड, क्योंकि सीक्वेंसेस, ये सारी चीज़ें आ गई हैं, पैटर्न्स वो भी उसी में आ जाता है. फिर फॉर्मल आर्ग्यूमेंटेशन, लोडिंग टू प्रूफ, प्रूफ्स इंट्रोड्यूस कर दिए, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल्स चेक कर ली, कंप्यूटेशनल थिंकिंग, मेंसुरेशन, कई सारी आप चीज़ें करेंगे. तो कंप्यूटेशनल थिंकिंग जो है वो पार्ट है आपका. रूटीन कंप्यूटेशन, अप्लाइंग प्रोसीजर, एब्स्ट्रैक्शन, रीजनिंग, मीनिंगफुल एप्लीकेशन, ये सारी चीज़ें आ गई हैं. सो Now it is altogether a different ball game. It's basically thinking, empowering the thinking, forming computation to conceptual understanding. So you'll enjoy doing class 9th maths now. So a lot of interesting things have come, and we are moving on to more of application based. So it will not be difficult. Your papers would be basically more of objective patterns. They will increase that, and it's more of thinking and associating, right? So this is Keshav Agarwal signing off, and will come with more updates for more subjects. This is, as of now, only this is there, and see you soon with more updates. Thank you.